What is that, Finn? Is it snow? Can you say snow? It's in my face. Where'd your feet go?
I don't know. I want a shovel.
Get the shovel, bud. The snow is about barnacle deep. Run through it. Come on. Let's go up the hill. Let's go see Finn. Oh. Okay. Come on, barnacle. What do we have here?
A bona fide blizzard.
You're a hard worker.
Yep. I gotta earn my keep around here if I want to feed this baby.
You gotta dig yourself out so you can go to work in the living room.
Finn still has to go to daycare. You gotta go to work.
Are you a hard worker too? You gotta turn the shovel the other way, buddy. You gonna get a big one?
Yeah.
Oh! Good work!